I will say off the bat that I am not the one talking about the economy, and that is not my area of expertise. My area of expertise is to provide you advice on the things that are riskier and the things that are safer and the things that we need to do as the government restarts our economy and as our businesses work together. And we're here to support businesses in putting in place the measures they need. And I think we all have had a scare, if you will, around this virus. We've learned a lot about how it can be transmitted. We've learned a lot about the things that we can do to protect ourselves and our families. And we've seen many cautionary tales where we don't get it right. And for the most part, we can handle that. And that's what we're saying here. You know, we will see some transmission in our communities. But if we keep doing the things that we're doing, we can go back to doing some of the things that we did in a much more limited and controlled way, and we can handle it. You know, when kids went back to in-classroom schooling, there was a lot of concern about what if somebody gets sick, and it's like, okay, well, we know how this manifests in children. We know the things that we can do to protect ourselves, and we'll be there to support you, to support the school community if something happened. So far, we've been lucky that way, and that's good. But that's the same thing in our communities. And, you know, I'm enjoying going back to restaurants, and we just need to do it in a slow and thoughtful manner, and I think we've been doing that here in BC. So I don't think we have a higher level of fear anymore. I think we're just being cautious and not being complacent, and that, to me, is a good thing.
Just to say, there's been a number of polls taken about questions such as this: who's responding, who's following physical distancing, who's not, and I don't think that there's really a consistent pattern to the results. So I'm not sure that necessarily accept the premise of the question. What I can say is that the performance and the job of Dr. Henry in communicating what people need to do, having fewer rules here in BC, but a real effort to follow those rules that everybody made in society, has been really a key element of the pandemic response. And when Dr. Henry presents the modeling next Monday, as she's done in the past, you'll see the impact of what people did, how they helped one another, how they saved lives in the community. So I think British Columbians can be very proud of that. We, throughout the process, didn't shut down elements of the economy, if you will, that other jurisdictions did. And so we've taken a calm, measured approach throughout. And I just think that people in BC want to continue to hear from Dr. Henry because her leadership has been exceptional.